For the last decade, automakers have operated under a flawed assumption. If you want a rugged, boxy off-roader, you must be willing to buy a massive, expensive fuel-guzzling tank. But with the introduction of the all-new 2027 Renault Bridger, that compromise has been completely shattered. Originally teased as a highly anticipated concept, Renault has confirmed this sub-4-meter urban adventurer is heading straight for the production line to take the fight directly to the Suzuki, Jimny, and the Maruti Brezza. It packs the undeniable utilitarian swagger of a Land Rover Defender into a compact footprint that can effortlessly parallel park on a crowded street in Mumbai or São Paulo, proving that tiny SUVs are about to make a massive global impact. Visually, the Bridger refuses to blend into the modern sea of soft, curvy crossovers. It is unapologetically brutalist and boxy. The defining feature is its tailgate-mounted spare wheel, design cue pulled straight out of the old-school 4x4 playbook that instantly gives the car serious lifestyle and adventure pedigree, riding on massive 18-inch square-spoke alloy wheels, pushed to the absolute corners and boasting a towering 200 millimeters of ground clearance. It looks like a Tonka truck built for the road. Up front, Renault has ditched the traditional diamond logo, opting instead for an aggressive gloss black grille featuring wide, illuminated Renault lettering, flanked by rectangular LED headlights. Add in the hidden rear door handles integrated seamlessly into the C-pillar, and you have a sporty, two-door coupe-like silhouette that demands attention on any street. Inside, the Bridger somehow manages to defy physics. Despite its tiny exterior dimensions, Renault engineers carved out a record-breaking 200 millimeters of rear knee room, allowing actual adults to sit in the back comfortably without feeling cramped. Behind those seats lies a cavernous 400 liters boot, capable of swallowing weekend camping, gear, or a massive grocery run, easily beating out the cargo space of its Suzuki rival. Underneath its wash and wear, highly durable cabin lies the advanced RGMP modular platform, offering 3 distinct multi-energy powertrains to adapt to any lifestyle. Buyers can choose from a punchy entry-level turbo petrol commuter, a 158 horsepower, full hybrid variant for crawling through heavy urban traffic with incredible fuel efficiency, or an upcoming pure EV model featuring 35 kilowatt-hours and 55 kilowatt-hours battery. Pack options for silent, zero-emission city warfare. Ultimately, the 2027 Renault Bridger is the exact vehicle the compact market has been begging for. Spearheading Renault's future-ready global expansion, this tough little SUV was designed and manufactured in Chennai, India, built specifically to survive some of the toughest road conditions on Earth. Before being exported globally, it proves once and for all that affordable. Entry-level cars do not have to look cheap or boring. By perfectly mixing the utilitarian charm of a dedicated off-roader with the practicality of a modern hatchback and the forward-thinking efficiency of an EV, Renault hasn't just built a new car. They have created a genuine segment disruptor and the ultimate urban adventurer.